I was an athlete through high school and college. We played rugby most recently. We went to the gym. CrossFit is a lot different than any gym we've been to. It's definitely a good place to be as a former athlete because you kind of have that competitive environment. Kind of feel like you have a little bit of a team cheering you on through the workout.
In high school I played basketball, in college I played rugby, and kind of went to 24-hour fitness here and there, but I get really lazy and I'll just elliptical for 20 minutes, do like 3 machines and get bored and go home. I like CrossFit in general because I need more of a challenge in my workout and I need structure to it. I like Crossfit San Leandro because it's just a great place to come to, even though I come work out every morning half asleep. By the end of it I wake up and I feel like I start my day on the right foot.
I like CrossFit San Leandro because it's definitely like a family. I've tried other CrossFits in the past and it's kind of like I never felt really fully comfortable. Like I kind of always had that anxiety coming to the gym. It definitely feels like everybody here is totally on your side.